Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to swap Pi to XRP. This is a very easy and safe way, and as well saving you guys. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. To get this done, first we'll have to migrate to our Pi browser. And once Pi browser has loaded completely, click on this drop down arrow to expose the URL. On the URL, just type in piswaps.com and hit enter. This is going to bring you to this page. Click on the get started button. Once you click on the get started button, click on the P2P. Now once you've gotten to this page, authenticate your wallet. This might take a little time to process. Allow it. As you can see, I'm logged into my wallet and I have a balance of 4,846.25 Pi with an available balance of 3,872.67. Now, to go ahead with the process, as you can see down here, I have Pi as the token I want to swap from, and then BTC as the token I want to swap to. But for this video, we are doing XRP, so we're going to click on the BTC to allow us see XRP and then select XRP. And once XRP is selected, you impute the quantity of Pi you want to swap. For this video, I'll be swapping 1,100 Pi. Once you've provided the quantity you want to swap, click on the swap token. This will take a little time to process. Allow the process to complete. And as you can see, we have successfully swapped 1,100 Pi for 109 XRP. Now the next thing we'll do is transfer this XRP to our Trust wallet. To achieve this, first thing you have to do is click on the send button at the top. Once you've done that, select the token you want to transfer by clicking on this token side at the top, the Pi network, and then selecting the token you're trying to send out. This is XRP. So XRP is what we're sending this time. So the next thing to do will be to go to our Trust wallet and get our XRP address. Move to a Trust wallet. Once we are here, you click on the search icon, select XRP, go to receive, copy out your the seed phrase there. I think yes, copy out the seed phrase, and then move back to your Pi browser. Now at the Pi browser, paste in that address that you have copied out. Sorry, why is this taking? Okay, sorry. All right, once you've copied out that number, just for the sake of this video, I'm going to be sending out 50 XRP. So select 50 XRP there. Now after selecting that 50 XRP, you can put in the what they call it, the memo. That is, if you want to, you can put in the memo if you want to. But for this video, I don't think I'll be putting in the memo. I'll just leave it as blank there. It would still work. The memo is just to show you what your transfer is for, what you're transferring the token for. So the next thing to do will be to click on the transfer. Allow the process to load for a while. Take a short time, and hopefully we'll get a successful transaction anytime soon. And as you can see, we have successfully transferred 50 XRP to our wallet. Now the next thing to do is to go to our Trust wallet and confirm if this transaction was sent successfully. So you move to Trust wallet, get to Trust wallet, and as you can see, there's a notification of 50 XRP that just came into the wallet. And if we come down here on our XRP part, you can see we have 49. I guess they removed one XRP, and we can click on our history. Let me see if, sorry, let me go out and come back in again. Now you can see our XRP 49 came in. This was supposed to be 50. I don't know why they reduced one. Okay, that one, that's one XRP that the system collects. See, this is 50 XRP that came in through the transaction. One XRP the system locks up so that you can make transactions, especially if it's a wallet that has not received XRP before. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also drop comments in the comment section. This will help the algorithm of the video. Until next time, guys, stay safe.